did basic neuronal structure, and we start with the cell body, which contains all the different parts of the cell, which includes the mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes, cytoplasm, and the nucleus. Next we have the nucleus, which is the cell's control center and directs functional and structural characteristics of the cell. Then we have the dendrites, which tend to be shorter, smaller processes that branch off the cell body. They conduct nerve impulses towards the cell body. Basically, they receive input and then transfer it into the cell body to process. The more dendrites a cell has, the more impulses the cell can receive.
Below the cell body, you can see the axon. The axon, in yellow, is a neuron process that conducts nerve impulses away from the cell body. In blue, the myelin sheath insulates the axon, consisting of concentric layers of myelin. If we zoom in, you can see the nucleus of the myelin sheath in green.
Off the axons we have the talodendria, which are fine terminal branches of an axon or an axon collateral, also called axon terminals. And off of those we have the synaptic knobs, which are slightly expandable regions at the tips of the talodendria.
Now we're going to take a closer look at the talodendria and synaptic knob.
This is an up-close view on the talodendria that leads into the synaptic knob. And then next comes the microtubules that are within it, and the synaptic vesicles. And then there's also the mitochondria and the calcium voltage-gated channels.
Let's take a closer look into the cell body. First, we have the cytoplasm, which is the cellular contents located between the plasma membrane and nucleus. Second, we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is flattened intercellular network of membrane sacs with ribosomes attached. This synthesizes proteins for secretion, transports, and stores molecules. We then have mitochondria, which is the double membrane structure that synthesizes most ATP during cellular respiration. And lastly, we have ribosomes, which are dense cytoplasmic granules, and they synthesize protein for use in the cell body.